That was a big shot.
Welcome to Drunk Answering Q&As.
We asked our Instagram followers for some questions for this Q&A. We're just gonna read them and then answer them. Here we go. The first question is from Robbie the bartender. Most crazy night out.
If it was the most crazy, I probably don't remember it.
The first night that comes to my mind is the night that I saw Drake. I don't know, that's crazy to me to see Drake out and about.
I saw Rihanna and Drake.
I was with you for that.
Were you? And we also saw Cardi B once. That was
Oh
cool.
yeah!
That was cool. That was pretty cool. And then she was like making it rain. She was making it rain.
On a stripper pole.
She was literally like, security, give me money. I want to throw it. The coolest night.
From Angelo Calari, what is our favorite type of alcohol to use in cocktails?
Cocktails in general, I think rum, like it's like so good. Like you always get a good cocktail with rum.
Like a fruity.
No matter what, it's so good and yummy.
sweet.
Yeah, but I love tequila for myself.
But honestly, I don't think I have a favorite specific thing when we're just like creating for thirsty bartenders. Anything goes. Best cocktail from Romeo. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce your last name because I'm gonna butcher it. I mean, best cocktail at the moment is this one, the Booty Clap cocktail. This is a cognac, passion fruit, sour cocktail.
It's pretty good.
So we made our Booty Clap cocktail with Branson. If you wanna get some Branson, head on over to bottlerover.com and get it delivered to your door. Duh.
Do it.
What is the worst combination of drinks? From Sebs Fuentes.
If you're drinking tequila, stick to tequila. If you're drinking vodka, stick to vodka. Stick to the same liquor.
Words to live by.
Stick to
Liquor
the-
before leer.
Stick to the same liquor and you'll never be sicker.
Oh, that's a new one.
You're welcome.
Good job. You came up with a new saying.
That's what I did best.
Okay. Will you do vlogs outside of Florida once COVID is over? From Chef Lido. 100% yes.
I'm going to the streets are calling my name. I'm going to the streets are calling my name.
We're gonna be out there in the streets.
ASAP.
We really wanna get out there and like try new things, go to really cool bars. If you guys know of any cool bars, let us know because as soon as it's all over, we're gonna be out there.
Yeah. This is from Will_012. We are in Aries season. What creative B-Day cocktail would you create to represent this?
What is an Aries? I think that's
So,
a water sign,
I think
right?
they're fire.
So a spicy cocktail, maybe perhaps like a mezcal, jalapeno, pineapple margarita. That's what I recommend for an Aries.
What's been your fave part about creating thirsty bartenders and least fave? This is from Mike Life. Learning how to manage time. I think that is my least favorite part about thirsty bartenders.
Of life in general.
That's true.
Literally like a huge problem.
And the trolls. The trolls are my least favorite.
Yeah, I mean, like I don't really pay attention to them, I guess, because it's like everyone gets trolls, but.
Okay, now our favorite part about thirsty bartenders.
I feel like creating, thinking about a project and then doing it. And then seeing what Sam comes up with, like in like editing and like posts. Like I love it. I'm like, I get so excited to see, you know, what the outcome of the video that we've imagined is going to look like. And honestly, most of the times it's like blows my mind.
My favorite thing is what she said, being creative. Do I want to dress like Snoop Dogg today?
We actually are going to
We
dress
do?
like Snoop Dogg today, so.
We do the most random, weird things, and I think that's what I love the most, is that every day is different.
Yeah, it's fun.
So it's a lot of fun just, you know, saying like, what can we do today?
We can literally do whatever.
Literally. There's
Literally.
no one here to stop us.
No one.
Someone stop us.
Sometimes we wish somebody would have stopped us from doing some things, but you know what? Just kidding.
Yeah.
No regrets.
No regrets.
No regrets.
Our nationalities.
I'm Colombian.
I am Puerto Rican and white. American. Who gets lit quicker? From Need Mo Beer.
I feel like
I think me.
feel like I drink faster, therefore
You
I
do
get lit
drink
quicker.
faster.
And like that's why I get lit quicker, because I do drink faster.
Okay, then maybe she's right because I do drink slower than her.
So I'd say I get lit the most.
Yeah,
Because I
Probably.
drink the most.
probably. Give us a quick 15-second drunk story.
Everybody wants to know our drunk stories. Oh my god, hold on. Oh. I know. I really love this story. I love to tell it. It's one of the greatest stories of my
I'm
life.
scared. What did
So
we do?
once upon a time, Sam and I went to Austin, Texas.
Oh, that was a good time.
We went to a comedy show.
Aaron!
We made best friends with Aaron, the guy that was up on stage. He's hilarious. He comes down. We're like, oh my god, you're so funny. We love
Let's
you.
be best friends.
Let's literally be best friends.
Can we keep you?
And so we're like, let's go somewhere. Like, show us around Austin. And then we're like, wait a minute, Dave Chappelle's here. And so we go on a hunt for Dave Chappelle. We go to his favorite hotel. He's not there. So we move on with our lives and we go and have dinner. And I feel like we attacked Aaron. Like, he was not ready for us. He was not
so
ready for us.
nice.
Yeah, he loved it. No, he loved us. I'm joking. He
was
he
really
definitely
nice.
loved us.
Where are you, Aaron? He
We
worked at
visited-
a coffee shop.
Yes, he worked at a coffee shop. We went to visit him.
The next
and
day.
he's like, well, that's fine. I'm actually off from work. Let's go somewhere. So, we're down. He takes us to this art museum right across from his coffee place.
There's 2 floors to this art museum. And we're like making jokes the whole time, walking around this art museum, like looking at the first floor. We go upstairs, like we're laughing on our way up these stairs because we're just like having the best time of our lives.
And
At
we
the
walk
top of the
in
stairs.
and it's so quiet. Okay? It's literally like you could hear
A pin drop.
Pin drop.
And there is a naked man in front of us.
And everyone's drawing him. It was hysterical. Instead of like turning around and be like, we cannot be here because we're like literally idiots. We can't. We just are like, let's go in and paint this naked man.
And he was like in an awkward position
He was like this.
on a set of bleachers with his balls out.
And we were you. This is him. Oh my god, you guys.
And we proceeded to draw him.
And we drew him. I think I drew a stick figure, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty sure that was like one of my favorite moments of my life that I'll never forget.
Hysterical.
And the craziest like night
Let's
ever.
call Aaron.
Oh my god, let's call him right now. What are you doing?
Take a shower.
Wait, we miss you so much.
I literally think about you two at least like once a week.
Stop. I'm gonna cry. Remember the art class?
Yeah. Perfect place to go to in Austin.
We want you to know that you're literally one of our favorite persons
Favorite humans.
ever. Like,
Top 5.
ever. You're up there with my mom. Love you. We gotta go.
Love you too. Have a good video.
Bye.
Bye. I love him.
We answered the question.
We answered the questions drunkenly, and thank you for submitting.
Submit more. Let's do this again.
That is all for today.
I don't know why.
Adios.